60 days left for UPSC CSC 2025. Are you prepared for the mains in the right strategy? Is it your answer writing practice as per the 753 rule? Or are you hearing it for the first time? So, what is this 753 rule? Within 60 days, can you absorb the 753 rule and adapt it? Yes, you can adapt it. Now, let's see what is this 753 rule. This is a topper technique rule, which is very much important for cracking this UPSC examination because means is the first stage where your entry or rank list is getting determined because pre is just a screening phase. If you have passed screening phase, now the real competition is beginning. So the 753 rule. What is the 753 rule and answer writing? Are you hearing it for the first time? Even if you're writing this year means 2025 also, don't be afraid. Still, you have 60 days time to adapt for this change. If you invest at least 5 hours a day, or if you're investing 10 hours a day, you can adapt to this change by 600 hours time. That's the high time you can get to adapt to any change. So the 753 rule is important for your mains answer writing just because you will have a better time management. You will have the best of the best content in your paper because you're having a clear strategy how you're gonna write the paper because you're already planned for the same. Now, regarding this whether the 753 rule applies for all the questions, if you ask me, I will say no. But to the 80% questions, if you're able to do in this manner, then you're getting ample amount of time to think and brainstorm for the other questions. That is also important because in the heat of that moment in the exam hall, you may have ample amount of knowledge. Being in the seat to write the mains answer, that is a highly difficult pressure thing. So in that your heat of the moment, your brain may not bring out the best. So if you already have a skeleton of answer in your mind, then that's gonna help you. So we have discussed about this in detail in a detailed video like how the 753 rule you can adapt and what are the other questions in which it cannot be adapted also. So you can watch that. Along with that, I'm promising you if you are targeting for 2026, maybe from next week, we'll be starting with the initiative of at least a minimum of 1000 plus mains answer writing videos. So why this videos is important, how this will be different from the other videos, because we are gonna sit and think as a student, not we are having the books, we are opening the books and just skimming through it and bringing out the best content to show that see our institute